The other type of processing is file-based processing, which is done through something called AudioSuite. Up here at the top in my pull-down menus, I have this menu called AudioSuite. You have to highlight a clip first. So let's say I wanted to do an EQ on my overheads. And again, I'm just going to go to EQ 3.7 band. And the window looks the same, but it has a few different things in here, which will be explained in the 110 course. What I could do is I could go to factory default. I can go to drum overheads, let's say. And let's say I want to brighten my cymbals on this. And it rolls off the low frequencies, cuts out a few frequencies here. But the problem with this is I have to render it. It saves processing power in your computer, but you're kind of stuck with the decisions that you make, unfortunately. So if I render it, and then I know that it worked. If I go over here to my clips list here, and I look at the clip name, you can see that it has been amended with EQ37B to the file name, which you can also see on the clip itself. But the thing about AudioSuite plugins is you're kind of stuck with it. And if you don't like the results, you have to undo. So unless you really, really know what you're doing, it's probably a better idea to use a real-time plugin with an insert.